Makes a great gift. All right, today we're gonna bring a small little blender. Now this blender could be for your workout smoothies, all right? Or if you just wanna make yourself a little shake at home, this is something you can use at home. So if you guys can see, there's 3 different sizes of the cups that you can use from, all right? I'm gonna try to organize them together, right? Each one comes with its own cover too, and also a strainer. In case you wanna mix up some fruit or something you don't want the gulp to go in there, this is one way to actually stop it. A cover. And also they give you 2 of the sip cups for your travels, all right? So if you wanna make yourself a nice coffee, a frappe or something cold on the go, you could just remove the actual blender part of it and substitute it by the cover, if you guys can see. This will fit in any cup holder, if you guys can see that. Now the blender itself, it's very powerful. It can do ice cubes, all right? There's no on button. The way it works is you gotta press the actual system and that's how it starts. We are gonna put this to use today. We're gonna do a couple ice drinks here and there. So first of all, this is the cup number. Look at the cup sizes, the different cup sizes that we have, all right? This is the 3 cup sizes that you get when you purchase it. You get 2 of the blending blades, all right? They're different blades, if you guys can see that. All right, one does more like a smoothie and the other one does more like a crushing ice, all right? Cover, strainer, and 2 of the sip cup. So let's put all this to use and see how it looks. All right, so let's get our stuff ready, guys. We're gonna mix some stuff. So right now, we're gonna add a little bit of ice. Then we're gonna pour in fruit. So that's the thing, we're gonna grab fruit. We got a couple fruit base, strawberries, mango. This is a good margarita that we're gonna make a good blend, all right? We're gonna mix it up with the juices, all right? We got the drinks in there. All right, now that we got our drinks, we're gonna mix it up more. Mix our drink. I like to put a little bit of ice to get that flavor even on the ice, so let's do that. I forgot that part. Mix it up all the while. We got it going. Put that in there, pour that in there, mix it up, good. Nice, beautiful drink. Put our blade. We should have used a smaller cup, but it's okay. So all you gotta do is push it down. Beautiful blend. Pour it in here. So take it out. We got it nice and smooth. Look at that. Nice little smoothie. Oh. Ooh, that came out good. And that's it. Oh, not the greatest, but look at this. Beautiful margarita. Strawberry margarita.